Hello there everyone, welcome to GEEPAS channel. Guys, I'm gonna unbox my rechargeable and portable speaker. So this is given to me like how many months already, but I will just open it now. I haven't seen it yet. This is the features of it, and I will write it down on the description box when I upload a video. So I'm gonna open it, guys, and see what is inside of this box because I haven't seen it yet. This is the first time I'm gonna open it. So this is it. It's open already, and this is an adapter or a charger. And see, guys, so this is a manual on how to operate the rechargeable and portable speaker. And also this one in the box is, what is this? A small microphone and a remote control. So this is a remote control and a small microphone down here. So I'm gonna fix this one. So this is it, guys, the microphone. So this is it. I can sing now in my Star Maker. Kidding. This is, guys, my microphone, the microphone of my speaker, and the charger. So I'm going to pull up the things. This one is so hard to. So this is the handle of the speaker, and I will pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. So this is it. My rechargeable and portable speaker. Tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna try this one and I will show you because it's already nighttime now. I cannot, make noise. It's already nighttime. Otherwise, my neighbors will. It's cold. So this is the power down here, and this one has USB for USB also, and a charger. There's a charger. So this for the charger. So tomorrow, guys, see you tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna try this one tomorrow. So guys, I will see what is in here in this manual. So it has general safety guidelines. So these are safety guidelines down here and how to operate this one safely. So I will read this one when I have to operate it. And also there is main features, the main features of this, the entire body of this speaker. And also what else? The remote control and how to use the remote control, of course, because I still don't know how to. And there is a global services center. So these countries are Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and Riyadh, Jeddah, and Dammam, Kuwait, Oman, Bangladesh, Qatar, and what else? What country? Here, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, and a lot more. But Philippines is not included in this global services, so I must take care of this one. Otherwise, there's no center here in Philippines to, if this will destroy or this will break or anything. So I must take care of it. Otherwise, yeah. So these are the inside of this manual, and I will show you guys when I have to operate it already. And for now, I will just take a look on this because I cannot see it properly already. So this is the volume, and I don't know yet the radio. Which one is it? Because this is my first time. So this is for microphone. It says microphone volume and mic 1, and there's a mic 2 here. So the microphone 1 and 2. And what else? And this is fits for me because I love music so much. In fact, I have a Star Maker account. So guys, if you do have a Star Maker, follow me on Gina Madronero Star Maker. So thank you so much, guys, and see you when I operated this one already. So it's not charging, guys. This light here means it's charging. And this one is for the Bluetooth mode. And this button is for on and off. I need the power and the dancing light, not a speaker. And now I'm going to choose my favorite radio station, FM radio station. That is my favorite, 95.5. No other. So this is it, guys. Perhaps you already know about this type of speaker.